Hello guys, nandito kami sa Richmond train station, London. So, naggala-gala kami ni Daddy ko dito sa London. Yan, ito yung train station ng Richmond. Yan. So, we're waiting for our train to Windsor. Yeah.
Ontario service to Windsor and
Ito yung
Eton
train
Riverside.
namin guys, going to Windsor.
Calling at Twickenham, Whitton,
See, it's
Felton,
coming.
Ashford, Surrey, Staines, Braesbury, Sunnymeads, Datchet, and Windsor and Eton Riverside. This train has 10 carriages.
So, we're going to Windsor.
Some stations have short.
Yan, maggala-gala kami ni Daddy ko.
If you are travelling to Braesbury, you will need to travel in the front.
So, we're inside the train. Yes. Yan.
Braesbury, Sunnymeads, Datchet, and Windsor and Eton Riverside.
So, nandito na kami guys sa Windsor train station. So, pupunta kami sa Windsor Castle. The oldest residence ng royals. Yeah. So, nandito na kami. Nakapasok na kami sa security. Grabe guys. Yung security dito parang sa airport. Parang airport din. Tanggal belt, tanggal yung mga ano, talagang ini-screen talaga. So, nandito na kami, nakapasok na kami sa security. So, we're going, yeah, we're heading towards the castle now. Yan. So, yan to the castle. So, dito muna tayo guys, explore sa labas. Kasi hindi na pwede mag video or taken photo sa loob ng castle. Yeah. So, yan, tingnan dito yung parang entrance nila guys. So, nandito lang tayo. Oh. Yan. Ito yung outside. Yung ground. Oh, yan oh, yan guys. From here, ganito kalaki siya guys. Yan. Yan oh. So, nasa loob na tayo ng ground ng castle, ng Windsor Castle. Ito ang pinaka-oldest na residence ng royal. Ang dami nilang castle pero ito ang pinaka-oldest. At saka narinig nyo yung airplane kasi malapit lang sa Heathrow Airport guys. Oo. Yan o, tingnan nyo. Ganon. Yan. It's quite low. You see the airplane there? It's very very low. I think maybe just like another 5 minutes and then landing na siya sa Heathrow. So ito yung ang view sa labas ng Windsor Castle. Yan. Grabe guys. Ganun kalaki oh. Ganun. Ganun kalaki guys yung ano nila dito. Yan. So, ito na guys. Ito yung parang another entrance. Yan. So, yun. Hanggang dito lang muna ang ano natin. Yung oh, over here, Dad. Ito guys, oh. Yan. At saka pa yun, oh. Yan. So, dito tayo mag-queue. Yan. Yan. So, ito yung, you know, the airplane. Mot entrance. What's the Mot Rom entrance? There's a Mot Rom entrance. Right. So, ito guys ha, reminds nyo, dito kami sa loob ng Windsor Castle. Residence ng royal family, the oldest residence ng royal family. Yan.
This Joyce. You said
Ito yung ano ng ito ng area guys. Oh. Ito kalaki yung Windsor Castle. Yan. Ito. Yan. So, ito yung moth room nila. Oo, tingnan mo naman yan. Oh. Ito yung mga old history. Yan. Yan, ito yung ano nila guys. Ito siya. So, ito na si King Charles. Ito si Elizabeth. After ni Elizabeth, the Queen. So, ito si Elizabeth. After ni Elizabeth, ito na si King Charles. Yan. Ito na yung king ngayon. Yan. Si King Charles. So, nandito na tayo sa labas, guys. Yan. Ang daming tao. So, yan ang the middle. You see the one there? Yan ang sa loob, guys. Garden na nila yung dyan, oh. Yan. Yan, parang garden na nila. So, dito tayo. Ikot tayo na, guys. So, nandito na talaga kami sa compound ng Windsor Castle. Yan. So, ito pa. Shop Middle Ward. Yan guys. Sobrang laki. Grabe. Ito lahat ng dito. Nakikita ninyo. Part na ito ng Windsor Castle. Yan o. Ang laki. So, we're going down here. We're going down here, Dad.
Paco, no te conozco, pero ya me conocerás. Si no
So,
te
ito
gusta,
guys,
¿cuánto te meterías con tus conductores?
part din ng building.
Vale, que te queden claro.
Oh, tingnan nyo, ganito. You see the airplane? So, I think there are more people in summertime.
Oh, this will be fine.
Yeah, we're not too bad, guys. This time, hindi masyadong crowded na crowded. Pero still, plenty of people. I think in the weekend, it's really, yan. Tingnan nyo guys, dito papasok kami, nagko-queue kami dito sa Doll's House. Yan oh, grabe ang queue guys. Dito sa Windsor Castle. Tingnan nyo yung queue guys, ang haba oh. Yun, hanggang doon. Yan, hanggang doon pa yun sa dulo guys, ang queue. So, yan oh. So dito kami papasok. Sa Queen Mary's Doll's House. Yan, so I think have to wait again. But we're not too bad. We are close to the door now. So yeah. So, malapit na kami sa door. Yung iba naman, kasi depende kung saan kayo guys mag-view. Yan. Ito, very grabe yung ng castle. Yan. Alam nyo guys, yung mga staff talaga dito sa sa castles, naka-uniform sila talaga ng yung proper uniform sila. Kahit nang doon kanina sa chapel, ang ganda ng mga uniform nila guys. Tingnan nyo.
Well, rather than boring after
So, kami na yung next na group. So, ito guys, nasa loob na kami guys. Hello guys. So, this is the entrance of King John's Tower. Ito, nandito kami sa Windsor Castle. Yan. So, ito yung playground, not playground, backyard. So, itong nakikita ninyo halos lahat dito guys. Naikot na namin dyan sa taas. Pumasok kami, kaso lang, hindi pwede mag-video or photo. So, ito yung hold the view ng ng Windsor Castle. Grabe guys, yung it's worth it. Pag pumunta kayo ng London, kailangan bisitahin nyo ito guys. Oo. So, ito yung nila guys. So, yan. Yan, ito ang view ng old building ng Windsor Castle. Yan. Yan. Okay. Yan. Galing na kami sa loob guys. Nag-tour kami sa loob. Grabe. Sobrang ganda talaga. Recommended ko talaga sa inyo guys. Pag pumunta kayo ng London, punta kayo dito sa mag-explore kayo dito sa Windsor Castle. It take us more than 1 hour. Just go around sa loob. Makikita nyo lahat ang dito sa loob. Grabe guys. Sobrang ganda talaga. Sobrang ganda. Yan. So, tingnan nyo. Ito naikot na namin guys sa loob. Grabe, sobrang talaga. Sobrang ganda. Yan o. Kita nyo. Yan. Yan, sobrang ganda. So, ito, exit na kami guys. Grabe, sobrang ang ganda talaga. Super, super duper. Recommended guys. Kahit na medyo mahal siya, pero it's really worth it. Oo, it's worth it talaga. Yan o. Yan. So, ikot-ikot ko kayo guys ha. Ito palabas na ito. Exit, we're going to exit. Pero ang halos makita ninyo, part pa rin sila ng ng Windsor Castle. Yan, tingnan nyo yung view. Yan. Grabe. Ayan. Tingnan nyo yung big hindi masyado makita kasi sa yan Norman Gates. Yan is Norman Gates.
Probably in the rain.
Yan guys grabe yan, nakikita nyo. Yan. Grabe. Sobrang ganda, guys. Yan, oh. I think siguro mga malapit kami 1 hour, 2 hours, guys, sa pag-iikot sa loob. Yes. Grabe, ang ganda ng mga rooms, yung mga banquet nila, yung mga rooms ng queen at saka king. Makikita nyo, guys, super. At saka yung mga dining room nila, mga halos lahat makikita nyo, guys. Very talaga, recommended talaga. So that's what we come in there, Dad. Yeah. Yan, ito, guys. Yan. Yan part. Lahat na dito makikita ninyo. Look at, guys, oh, ang the plane. It's very, very low siya, oh. Yan. I think we can see if you're on the plane, you can see this.
Yeah, if you're sitting on the right side.
In the right side, isn't it? Tingnan nyo, guys.
Left side, actually.
Ayan. So, ito halos lahat nakikita ninyo. This is the Windsor Castle. Grabe, sobrang daming tao. Shops, what's that? Cement shops. Middle ward. What's in there? Yan, oh, guys. So,
Another shop,
another shops. Have a look.
if you want to.
So, pasok tayo dito sa shop, Middle Ward. We'll see kung ano makita natin dito, guys. So, ito pa, guys. Yan. Building ng ng Windsor. O, tingnan nyo, guys, oh. So, this is the chapel, the one that we've been in that one. Oo. So, lahat na nakita ninyo, guys, ito talaga, compound ito ng Windsor Castle. Yan. Ito, grabe yung chapel nila, guys, oh. Sobrang ganda sa loob. Yan. Tingnan nyo.
I'm actually sending my phone case now, alright?
Yan.
I know.
Parang hindi masyadong maganda yung yung color. Ito, guys, lahat ito nakikita nyo dito. This is part ng Windsor Castle. Ito yung nila. Yan. Lahat ito, guys. Yan. Grabe. So, dito tayo. Ang daming tao. Yan, oh, may guards. Oh, tingnan nyo, may guards. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can see the guards? Yeah. Yan. Kita ninyo yung guards. I'm here.
Yeah,
It's quite nice.
those are purpose.
Yeah, the corpus are there.
Yeah, I think.
Yeah, so this is a chapel, guys. It's quite big, isn't it? The chapel. Still part. Yeah, so, nandiyan kami galing, guys. So, yung chapel nila, guys. So, itong building. Ito yung the whole chapel nila. Grabe sa loob. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang ganda talaga. Oh, yan, oh. Tingnan nyo yung plane, oh. Very, very low siya, oh. Yan, ano part ng castle. See, the plane is very, very low. Yeah. So, ito yung the whole view, guys. Actually, yung iba hindi pa. Yeah. So, dito, ito yung sa loob ng Windsor. Windsor Castle. Yan. Grabe, guys. Grabe, sobrang ganda talaga. Sobrang laki. Yeah. Sobrang laki. Yan. Diba? Tingnan nyo. Look at the plane. Wow, how close. Yeah, how close. So, ito naman na parts, guys. Wow, look at these old buildings. Wow, they're quite nice, are they, Dad? You can see.
Tudor style.
Tingnan nyo, guys, oh. Yan. Grabe, sobrang ganda. Tingnan nyo, guys. Yung building, oh. Incredible. Like, sobrang ganda. Yan. Oh, ito, oh. Yan. That is a church.
Well, that's the chapel.
Oh yeah, that's the chapel
That's
entrance.
the-
Yeah. Yeah, I remember now. Yeah, so this is the chapel, guys. This actually this is like the main entrance. Yeah, no, the chapel ng Windsor Castle. Yeah. Yan. There come again, guys. Yan, nagagard, oh. Ayan. So, yan na, guys. Actually, dyan kami nag-tour sa loob. And then, that one as well. Look. Yan. Yan. Yeah, thank you. So, hello, guys. See the plane, guys. So, nandito na tayo sa village ng Windsor Village. So, ito na yung guys, sa labas lang ng Windsor Castle. Yeah. Yeah. So, dito tayo. Ito yung exit, guys. Ito yung exit, oh. Yan, pagaling ka sa loob, iyan na yung exit. So, nandito na tayo sa labas. So, village na ito. Windsor Village. Yan. So, ang ganda ng nila dito, guys. Ang Windsor Village. Yan. So, itur ko kayo dito sa Windsor Village. It's quite down there as well, that like their shopping area. Tingnan nyo, guys.
Yeah, maybe take a walk. We can either go down there first or there. So we're looking for
Yeah. So, this is look, yan na yung Windsor Castle. Yan, guys. Yan na siya. So, yan. So, dito tayo sa village. Dito na tayo sa village. Ang ganda kaya. Ang ganda ng village, oh. Tingnan nyo dyan. Tingnan nyo dyan sa baba, guys. Yan. So, dito, ikot-ikot tayo dito, guys. Dito lang yan sa tabi lang ng Windsor Castle. So, ito yung village nila. Yeah. Oh, yan na yun, guys. Oh. Yan si Queen Victoria. Yan. Just a minute, Dad. Yan, ito na, guys, yung sa labas ng sa labas ng Windsor Castle. Yan. Diba? Ganun kalaki, guys. Grabe, sobrang laki. Oo. So, which way, Dad? We'll go down here.
here a little bit and back up. That other little shopping station.
Yeah. So, dito tayo, guys. We'll go down here on the shopping village. Yan. Pedestrian only. Yan, pag gusto nyo ng mga souvenir. I'm sure you can get cheaper mugs on here, Dad. Huh? So, dito tayo, guys. Ang ganda, no? You see the village here just only outside Windsor Castle. It's dominating the village for that big walls. Ayan guys. So, dito tayo. So, ito yung parang shopping area nila guys. Wala naman kaming bilhin pero ikot-ikot lang dito. You can come out that way as well then. Yan. Hindi ko alam kung maganda pa ba. Ang ano kasi ng araw. So, dito na. Ikot-ikot ko kayo guys sa Windsor Village. Yeah. Yeah, pasok tayo sa souvenir shop guys. So, nandito na tayo. Yan. There's another souvenir, Dad. That one. There's another souvenir. Yan guys, oh. Ito na yung Windsor Castle. Yan. So, yun. Grabe guys, sobrang laki talaga itong ano, yung Windsor Castle. Ito ang pinaka-biggest na castle. Ito ang pinaka-biggest na property ng ano, ng royal. So,